any of the topics? Do anyone has any doubt in the previous topic?
No.
Good. Okay, all clear, isn't it? Coming to,
Yes.
we were talking of the what? File handling, as per I remember. Opening a file, reading and file, isn't it?
Hello. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Yusuf. How are you, Yusuf?
I'm fine, and you? And how are you all?
I'm good, I'm good. Everyone is fine over here. So any doubt you have, Yusuf, in any of the topic, previous topic?
No, no, there's no doubt.
Okay, you
Uh,
can
uh,
ask
I,
me.
I, ju-
Yeah.
I just wanted to ask you something. Can we do the
Sure.
can I do the class like a bit shorter, like, cause the class is 2 hours, right?
Yeah,
It,
you can say. Yeah.
uh, I was gonna ask if I could do the class from like 1 hour and 20 minutes, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Can I?
Uh, Today you are talking of or every day? Are you are you talking
Um,
this 1.5 hour for today or every day classes you required 1.5 hour only?
uh, I wanted to ask if it could be all classes. Is it okay, or is there something that?
Basically, it depends on the topics. If we are having shorter topics, then we can complete in 1.5 hour. If the topic is great, like long, then we go max to 2 hours, not more than that. Fine.
Okay,
So it depends on the topics basically. Okay. Anyhow,
okay,
in the between, I used to give breaks also, so that you guys
okay.
can fresh it up. Okay, fine. So everyone can see my screen.
Yes.
Good. Now
Yes.
we were talking about file handling, isn't it, Tony?
Yes. Yes.
Good. So I'll just revise it up and we will complete this particular topic. So what happened in a file? File, if something is permanent storage, okay, a, a file is a named location on a disk to store related information. It is used to permanently store in a non-volatile memory. Non-volatile means what? Is a hard disk. So if suppose what happened, you are having a file and that you are file storing in a hard disk, even if you shut down and open your restart your system, that file still will be present over there for permanently storage. So that is the thing, okay? That is the thing means what? Non-volatile memory means what? That thing is not going to be removed. That file is not going to be removed. It will be stored for permanently. Okay? If suppose that file is stored on RAM, okay? RAM of your system, then it will be get removed when you are shut downing your system. Okay? So RAM is known as what? Volatile memory. Your hard disk is known as what? Non-volatile memory. Fine? Now, coming to file operation, we will be doing what with our Python coding. Okay, Python programming we will be doing. So there are operations which we need to do on a file with the help of Python. First is opening a file. You have to open a file. Second is read and write or append of a file. Okay, and third is closing of a file. So for there are two ways to, okay, there are two ways to open a file with first way is what? You guys can write it down. Two ways to operate a file using Python. Okay. The first way is what? By writing file. Okay. If suppose this file I'm saving. Okay. Here I have created one file, a new text file I have created with the name of Yusuf. Okay. and inside that file I have written hi Ronit, my best friend. Saving this file, closing it. Now this file I want to read it through my Python code. So what I am doing, file equal to, or you can write file1 equal to open. What was the file name? Durik, what was the file name? Yusuf,
Open.
Yusuf.txt. What was the file name? File name I'm asking. The file name is Yusuf, isn't it? I saved it with Yusuf name. So this the same,
Okay.
okay, is known as file name. So here in this case the file name is practice. Okay, practice.py. Here in this case Yusuf.txt, since it's a text file. So Yusuf.txt I am trying to open it, and what I'm doing to do, and if I want to read the content of a file, I have to use what, uh, here I have to give which what access mode I want to open. So if I want to read it, I will give R over there. Okay. Now if I want to read all the contents from the file, so I am creating lines a variable file1 dot read lines. All the lines which are existing in that file, you read it. Okay, since there were two or more than two lines of lines will be there in file, so I have to use the loop concept. So for L in lines, okay, print L. Current line is,
Sir, are you typing?
yeah, you guys cannot see.
Your screen is frozen for me.
What about Tony? Can you see my screen
Yes.
now? Can you see During I have
Yes.
good. So now I'm typing. Is it visible to you?
Yes.
Good. Thank you. So what happened here? What I have written, file1 equal to open, okay, Yusuf.txt, the file name I have given, comma read. I want to read it, so I have given R over there. Now lines equal to file1 dot read lines. It will read all the content from there, and since there are two lines there, so I need to use a loop concept to execute one line at a time. So for L in line, print current line, comma L over. I'm saving this file, okay, and I'm running it. So you can see what all contents was written there. Hi Ronit, my best friend, is coming as outside over. Okay, so what you guys do now, you save a file, okay, as any of the directory you save it, okay, and then write these three lines of a code, four lines of a code, and see what you have to do it. I'll once again I'm doing it. Create a new file, new text file you created any of the location, okay, okay, save it with some name. I'm saving it. Open it and write anything over there. So hi Tony, how are you? Okay, I have written. Saving this file.
Again your
Once
screen again your screen froze for me.
you just rejoin it first. During rejoin it fast. Ronit, all good with the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yusuf, understanding?
Yes.
Good. During, can we proceed?
Yes.
Good. So what you guys have to do it, create a notepad file, write anything, two lines you can write it, okay? Save that file, okay? Remember the file name. Now open your Python IDLE I'm talking about. Open your Python IDLE. Once you open it, then what you have to do, you have to write this code. With code you have to write? You have to write file1 equal to open, then bracket, quotation mark, write the file name with what you have written it, Okay, that file name you have to write it. Okay, this file, the Python file and the Notepad file needs to be in same drive. Okay, Notepad file and Python file, Durik.txt and comma r, and then lines equal to file1 dot read lines, s needs to be there. For l in lines, print current line comma l. Okay, I'm saving this and then executing. Then I am getting the output. I will be getting what all things was written inside. So everyone do it fast, and whoever completed, give a thumbs up fast. This part is understood by everyone, isn't it?
Yes.
Excellent. Durik, you have written already done.
Yeah, I already written. I did
Excellent.
every step you did.
Excellent. Very good. So fast. This is for you then. So Durik became topper. Create one more file. You have time. Create one more file and then do the same operation again. This time inside the file you write I am learning and finding Python interesting. Okay, first line.
It needs to appear in.
Yes. And in the second line you have to write what? msatutorpy@gmail.com.
Okay.
Two lines you have to write. In place of hi Tony, how are you? Okay, you have to write these two lines. This question is only for only for Durik. All others will do the previous one. Can you send me the code, Durik?
Okay.
Excellent, very fast, good. Ronit doing?
Yeah, sir, I'm doing it.
I'm getting an error. I don't know why.
What error it is?
It says cannot assign literal.
Cannot assign?
Literal.
Okay, your variable name is something. You write the code in the chat box and see it.
Okay.
Sir, I got same code as Derek.
Good. So understood, Ronit?
Yeah, sir.
Good, excellent. Yusuf, what is your status? Yusuf done? You have written current. One you cannot take, no. L you have to
It
take.
needs to be
For
L. It needs to be L.
yes,
Sorry, I'm
excellent.
bad. Sorry,
Oh, okay.
I have.
Okay, I have given Yusuf just now. I have given things to do. You have to create a file and you have to execute it. This code. Okay, do and post the output. And for finding error, this is for Durik for finding the error. Excellent, Durik. How is it working, Tony?
Wait.
We have to.
Yusuf, you have understood what we have to do?
Yeah, it's working.
Yes.
Okay, do then fast. Good. One way of reading a file is like this way. Another way is what? We will see second way. Okay. Now when you are reading, okay, or when you are first way, when you are doing or reading a file, through the first way, you have to close the file also. So file one dot close is mandatory. You have to do it. So this is a complete code. Okay. So wherever you guys have written your code, in the last line you write file one dot close. Okay, file one dot close. Then it becomes your complete code. Okay, of opening any file and reading it like that. Now we will see that was the first way of doing it. Now we will see the second way of reading any file or doing any operation. In that second way, you have to write what? Width open and the file name. So I have written durik.txt, okay, comma, r over there as file2 I have given. Then colon mark, and here what I'll do, lines equal to file2 dot read lines, okay, and then here what I do, for L in lines, okay, again the same code, print current line is colon mark comma L over there. Here you need not have to close it. By default, okay, by default only this operation or this way of writing a code will close it. Here we need not have to close the file. Okay, here we are not going to close the file. So you can write and execute this code and see whether it is reading the file or not. Okay. Everyone execute the second way and see whether the code is working or not.
I'm getting error.
What error is coming? We have to concern about the spacing. Spaces you have to take it.
It showed me an error too.
What error it is showing?
Invalid syntax.
It says LIN is invalid syntax.
You better type it. See, I am executing it.
नमस्ते
Oh,
आप कैसे हैं
even
नमस्ते आप कैसे हैं
L was written more over there. I'm executing
Oh,
it.
okay.
Just
Oh,
remove. For L in,
he only repeated.
working?
Hmm?
Is it working? The code is working?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. As it is working from everyone, Ronit, it is working. Yusuf, it is working.
Yeah, sir.
Good. Yusuf, is it working?
I'm trying to see if it's working, but no, 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 it's not. Wait,
Where it is giving an error.
it's saying invalid syntax.
What?
I think he has still the L in it.
Do we have to?
Can you write the code in the chat box? There was one correction we need to do. For L in is written wrong. LIN it is written. It should be in over there.
Okay, so the in was written wrong.
Yes.
And are you sure it's L? Cause I think it's one.
No, it's L.
No.
One. Yeah, it's L basically.
It's pure error.
Which error?
Yes, error.
For L or anything you can write. For L in lines. In place of L you can write anything. No problem. Is it done, Yusuf?
It's still showing invalid.
You just copy the code and write in the chat box. Let me see
Look,
where it is getting wrong.
this is this is what is appearing.
No,
No
the
such fine.
code. The code.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. I got it, Durik. Uh, you have to create a file, durik.txt. That file is not present. First, you have to create this file. Okay, write the content inside that file. As you can, or you can replace this durik.txt to yusuf.txt.
So I have to create a file of Python that is with my name.
No. You have to create a file called txt. Okay, a text file you have to create it. What we are doing right now, we are creating a text file and we are reading through Python coding. Okay,
I
and
can. The notes. Yeah, that's not a file. That doesn't have files like you. Windows
yes,
is different.
yes. So you have to create that file first, and then you have to execute this code.
I
Okay.
have a question.
Yes.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Do the file need to be on the same place of Python?
Yes. Excellent.
Okay.
And I'm saying that one way is to keep file in same place where your Python code is there. First way is that. Second way is, suppose my file is in another location. Okay, suppose it is in E drive. Okay, E drive data analyst. Here I am creating one file, new text file. Okay, I am creating ronit.txt, and I have written inside that, hi Tony, you are good in Python. Saved the file. Okay, and closed it. Now my Python code, is it where? It's inside the another drive. Let me show you. My Python code is in F drive. Okay, practice.txt. This code only I am executing. Right click it, edit with IDLE, and I have opened. So my this code is it in F drive S folder. Okay, and my ronit.txt is in E drive data analyst folder. Sorry. So I'm copying this line to execute it in different, to read the different location. What I have to do it, I have to use the import OS. I have to import the OS module. So I'm doing import OS, and then os.chdir change directory, and here I have to give the path location. So E drive and R I have to give it as a regular expression, and then E drive slash data analyst. So what will we do? It will change the directory from this location. All the files will be read. Okay, this I am going to explain anyhow in the slide. From this location it will read it, and what will happen, it will execute the code. So I'm saving this one and going to run, and then run module. Fine. So what it is coming, during.txt is not present over there. Ronit.txt is present. So I have to change the file name. Ronit.txt. Now I am executing the code. So what will happen? I'll get, okay, again no. Is there anything, any other? Ronit.txt, isn't it? The file name is same, no? Oh, I made it wrong, isn't it? The file name need not to be ronit.txt. It needs to be only ronit.txt will come automatically. Okay. Now what will happen? I'm saving this file and executing it. Now what will happen? What all things was written inside there is coming. Hi Tony. So are good in Python. So you are good in Python. Make sense? Everyone understood?
Yes.
Whoever understood, give a thumbs up first. Whoever understood, give a thumbs up first. And everyone, tell to your parents, okay? Tell to your parents that the professor needs to, okay? Professor needs to discuss with them. This was discuss with your parents, okay? For 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, today I will talk to every parent. Is it all okay?
After the class.
Yeah, after the class.
Okay.
Good. Everyone tell to your parents that professor needs to discuss something. Okay,
Right
Durik,
now.
is it not now? After the class, after means once the class got over, then I will talk to each and every parent. Or maybe in the break also you can give and I'll talk to you. Okay,
Okay.
Durik, is it all good?
Yes. Yes.
Yusuf, is it good? Okay, so I'll talk to every parent today. Today I'm going to talk. Okay, fine. Fine. So we have seen now this. Now we will come across this. Okay, have seen it. So there are basically three access modes are there. One is read, another one is write, another one is append. Okay, so read mode R I have to give it. Access mode I was giving no when I'm writing the file name I was giving an access mode there R over there. So I just want to read it. Okay, W to write it. Okay, and A for appending it. It already some content are there. Another extra content I'm going to add. Okay. Now we can open the file in two file location, text mode and binary mode. Okay, two file location we can open the file. One is text mode, another one is what? Binary mode. Okay, two file types of files are there. Text mode are what? Normal .txt file. Binary mode for file like images, video, exe file, and by default the text mode is being taken over. Now here comes if the file and my code, Python code, both are in same location, I have to just write open and then abc.txt. If suppose another drive I'm having, then I can write the full path like this: c colon python slash test2.txt. Okay, test2.txt, a new folder and all. If sometimes an error occurs due to this slash n, so better give r over there. R open the double quotation mark and give the whole path over. Fine. Slash n is used for new line and slash tab for space character. So that's the reason we are giving r over there in before. Okay. Now read mode, opening a simple file in a read mode, you have to give access mode r on. A binary file you want to open, rb you have to give r plus, rp plus and on. Read and write mode, www like that, ab. I'll show you this what it is happening.
Sorry, but I can't understand you at anything because your internet is very bad. There's really no voice. Uh,
Is it? Have anyone else is facing the same issue?
Oh no.
No.
Ronit, all good? You can hear me nicely? Ronit?
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
It must be Yusuf's.
maybe it's my internet.
Yeah, you just rejoin it, Yusuf. Just disconnect the call and come back to call fast. Rejoin the call. Okay? So what I was talking about, now we will see the access mode over there. Now in the previous case, what we have done, we have created the file by doing going to that directory and then doing a right click and then new, then clicking on text document and we have created. Now this also we are going to do with Python only. We will be writing a code and we will be creating a file by writing a Python code. So what I have to do it? WF, word I am using it, okay, object I have created, okay, variable, And same way I will do open, okay, and I'm creating over here what Sameer.txt. Currently in my this folder there's no file name called Sameer. Okay, I'm creating it Sameer.txt. But in this case, if I'm giving R as a mode, read mode, okay, what it will do, it will give an error. Why it will give an error if I give this code? Anyone will say? Any guessing? If I'm giving a
Because
read
you
mode
haven't
and
created.
yes. So I haven't created or this file is not present, Sameer.txt is not present. So how it will read it? Isn't it? That file is not present. So if I execute it, it will give an error saying that Sameer.txt is not present. It will say no such file like that. See, no such file or directly Sameer.txt. So what I have to do, but if suppose this file is not present and I am giving a W over there, W is a write command. What it will do, it will create this file. Okay, in this same folder, it will create a file called Sameer.txt. Now after creating it, as well as like read lines were there to write to read the content, same way for write we have a write lines are there. Okay, write is there or write lines is there. So what I am doing is that I am doing wf dot write lines, and inside this I am giving a value.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna leave the meeting and join back because it's very bad the internet.
I told you beforehand only. I told you beforehand only to rejoin it, isn't it? That will be the only solution. Do it fast. Okay,
Maybe
two
he
lines.
didn't read the message.
Okay, two lines I am writing. Okay, first line is this is Samir. Okay, and second line I am writing Durik is very smart. Okay, and I'm saving this since I have opened with the first way of opening I'm doing. First way of file opening or file handling I am using it. So what will happen? I need to save this. I need to, okay. Now is it all good? Yusuf? Yusuf, is it clear now? I think so. For others it is not creating problem, isn't it? Durik, all good?
Yes.
Good. Now what I am doing over here, I have opened with the write mode over there, and okay, fine. So what I was talking about that I am if I have given W over there and this file is not present, this file will be get created.
Professor, the whole screen is just black. I can't see anything.
You cannot see.
No, let me send. Let me send some.
I don't know, for others it is not. So what you do, you restart. Can you restart your internet device, the modem?
Uh, yeah, but it can maybe it can take a long time.
No, internet device won't take time. 5 minutes is max. It will take it.
It, I restarted. Okay.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Wait. 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 Now you take and click it. Is it coming good now?
No,
No.
it's telling me like poor connection.
Okay, then you have a poor connection. Then your internet problem is there. Fine.
Okay, I restarted. Okay.
Yeah, you just restart the internet. That's the reason. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Coming. Okay, come fast. Restart your system and come fast. Now, here in this case, this file was not present, so I have given W over there. What W means? Write command, and if this file is not present, it will create it automatically.
It just the screen is back. So the voice is still a problem, but it's okay.
Okay, so what will happen in that case? W means what? It will create a new file with this name. Okay, and what I am doing, with the help of write line, I am writing these lines inside my file called samir.txt. This is Samir. Turik is very smart. I am writing it, and then what I have to do is, since I have opened with the first way, what I have to do, I have to close it also, saving the file and now executing it. So for new line, I have to give slash n. For going to the second line, so I'm giving slash n over there. You write it and go to second next line. Now I'm executing the code. Now it got executed. Now in that drive, if I see, there is a file got created with the name called samir.txt. I'll click on it and I'm finding the same content which I have written over there has appeared over. Making sense, everyone? All good? So now what you guys have to do it, you have to execute this code and you yourself has to create a file. Okay, a text file get be created with the help of a Python code. Isn't it great? Now no use of using mouse and doing a right click and that and all those things. Okay. Is it done? Is the output working, Tony? You have created a file. Is the file got created?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ronit, is the code worked?
Yes, sir.
Good.
I
What
am
about
getting nothing.
what happened to you during?
Oh wait. Oh, hold on.
Is everything done? Yes or no? Durik, is it done? Is it done, Durik, or still some error is coming?
Wait.
Now, question to Ronit and Tony. Create another file. Okay. Create another file uh, with name python feedback.txt. Okay. This python feedback.txt you have to create it, and the question which you are going to and write it over there is, the question is this all. The question you have to write and answer you have to write it what? How much you have learned the Python? Your first question, okay? In your this write lines, or write also you can write it, or lines you can write it. First you will write, you will create an object fd. In place of hi you can create fd and write fd dot write, okay? And then write this question first, and then give a new line, and then what you have to do, you have to write the answer in this block, okay? The answer you have to write it, then again new line, then how is the class, you have to write the question, and then again new line, and again you have to write the answer over here, okay? Here in this place you have to write, then comment on your python class by Sameer sir till now, okay? What any comment, any comment any comment on your python class by Sameer sir till now. So this you have to create it, okay? A file you have to create, a text file, and you have to write this question and answer you have to write. Wherever you are finding spaces are there, underscores are there, there you have to write your own answer which you are filling it. Write it and create a text file. Is it all good? Question is clear
Yes.
to everyone, isn't it?
Yes.
So in place of writing I like Python, Python is fun, all those things, write this question and answer, question, answer, question, answer, like that, and create a text file. Ronit, question is clear, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Good. So be honest and write it. What you are feeling like, how much you have learned the Python. Then write the answer in this block. In code only you will
Yes, sir.
write, and
I'm
that
writing it.
good. And second question.
Sorry, but I'm in
Yeah.
an iPad and the computer is still restarting.
Okay, no problem. You understand the thing. I have given now to them a new question. A question is that you have to create a file called python feedback.txt. Okay? This file you have to create it. The file name will be this. Okay? And then you have to write the instruction. How much you have learned the Python. The first line you have to write it, and then new line you have to give it, the next line. Then you have to write your answer which you are filling. fd dot write, and then give the answer. Means I like the Python very much. I don't like it. All those things what we are finding out. And
Okay,
again,
but my computer's still
okay,
restarting,
yeah,
and
yes,
I
yes.
can't do anything.
I understood it, but understand the question so that when
So
your
we need to
system,
execute it also.
yes, yes, you also have to do it during. This question is for everyone. Now understand the question, Yusuf, so that you, when your system get started, you can directly start executing the code. Okay. Now
Okay.
again new line you have to do it. How is the class? Okay. Again new line you have to take it and you have to write in this underscore the blank spaces what you
Wait,
have.
wait. What does the N mean? I forgot. What does the N mean?
And means slash n you are talking about.
Yes.
Slash n is for new line, next line.
Oh.
Okay.
So we need to write what we need to write in there.
Yes. See, Durik, just now you have created a file called Durik txt, isn't it? Durik.txt through Python coding,
Yes.
isn't it? Now, in place of writing, I like Python, Python is fun, you can write this question and answer. Okay? Durik, is it clear?
No.
See, I'll explain you later. See, what you have to do it, you have to create a file called, okay, Python. You guys can see my screen, isn't it? Python feedback.txt. Okay, and an object called fd over there. Fine. Till now, everyone is good. Yusuf, is it good till now? Isn't it? Any doubt?
It's still
No.
restarting.
I'm talking about this line. You have any problem? This Python code line. You have any problem? You understood what we are doing?
We have to write that code on Python, right?
Yes. So what this line of a code is doing? Can you explain me?
I have to execute it, right?
I'm asking what is the meaning of this line of a code? What this line will do? Can you explain me that?
I actually don't know if I actually don't know, because if we need to, I don't know actually.
Okay, no problem, no problem. During,
No,
can
but
you?
we had to
No, no,
execute it, right? We
one
had
minute,
to
one minute, 1 minute. We see. Uh, First, understand the concept. Okay, okay. First, understand the concept. Then we can execute it several times. How many times we want? No problem. I'm like I'll be letting you know what this line of a code is. Wherever you find difficulty, please ask me again and again. No problem. Coming to Durik, what this line of a code is doing, Durik, fast. Tony, what this line of code is doing?
Um, creating a text, creating a file,
What is the file name?
Python feedback.
So Yusuf understood what this line of a code is doing?
I'm doing the questions.
Tony, Ronit, what this line of code is doing?
Sir, it's opening the Python feedback text.
Yes, it is creating basically, isn't
Yeah.
it? Since
Yes,
write
sir.
mode is there. Okay.
Yes,
Coming
sir.
to Durik, can you hear me, Durik?
Yes.
What this line of code is doing? Durik, what this line of code is doing? Ronit, what this first line of a code is doing? Ronit?
The first line of a code is it's creating a variable when it opens it's opening the text.
It is creating a file called python feedback.txt. Okay?
Yes.
Good. Yusuf, what this line of code is doing?
Giving feedback.
Mm-hmm. It is just now Ronit has told. No, what Ronit has told, say the same thing. Wait 1 minute. Yusuf and Durik, uh, be conscious right now. Tony is going to explain what is this line of code is doing. Understand it nicely, and I will come back to you guys to understand what this line of code is doing. So understand it nicely. Okay, Tony, what this particular line of code is doing? FD equal to open python feedback.txt as a write mode. What this line of code is doing? Question to Tony.
This code is creating a file named Python feedback and is in write mode.
Good. So Durik, what this line of code is doing, Durik? Durik, are you there?
Yes.
So explain me what this line of code is doing.
Hello. I am joining on the other computer. It's working.
Okay.
I think it's writing a.
Hmm? See, what you guys have to do it, you have to create a file called python feedback.txt as a write mode you have to open. Then first line you have to write like this, how much you have learned the Python. Okay, then give a new line and then fd.write, you write in place of this blank, you have to write your honest review, how much you have learned the Python. Then again new line, then again how is the class, question mark, then again new line, and then in blank you have to write the how you are feeling about the class, how is it, how good it is, how bad it is, like that. Then again new line, then any comment on your Python class by Samir sir till now. Okay, till now any comment you want to do that this like that needs to be done and all those things, so you can write it. So you have to create it. Yeah, okay, you have to create it and paste the code as well as the output file also. Fine.
So it needs to be like you wrote it.
In this blank space you have to write what you are feeling about the answer of this question, that's all. Okay.
Okay.
Question is clear to everyone, isn't it? See, I got the output from Tony. Excellent. What about the output file? That also I want. So what you can do?
Should I
Uh,
send the file?
yes. Yes. What you do in the output file, in place of writing Python feedback.txt, you can write Tony underscore Python feedback.txt like that. Okay.
Okay.
So in here, in this underscore, you have to write your name. Ronit, the question is clear. Everyone, the question is clear, isn't it? See how good the output came. How good the output came for this Tony. How great he has written everything. And that too he has written and created in Python. That is very nice. Coming to Yusuf, let's see what Yusuf has done.
So it's gonna only say the answer. Sorry, there's no question.
No, you have to write question and answer both.
I read it the numbers for the first question, second question, and third question.
No, you have this. You have to do with Python coding. You need not have to do with your the text file. What file you have to not to do it. You have to write this all in your Python coding. As just now we have created run same day.
Okay.
Durik, is it doing? On it, you are doing
Yes, sir.
good. Is it done? Is it done? Ronik, completed?
Sir, I was completing it and then it accidentally closed. I'm starting again, that's why.
Why you are not saving the file then? Why it is accidentally
No,
getting?
sir. No, sir. It's that my mouse got glitched and I'm using a mouse and the thing got glitched and it went to the top right and it got closed.
Okay, what about Durik? Completed?
Still working on it.
Okay. Yusuf completed? Yusuf, you understood or not? Is the question clear to you?
Yes, I did understand the questions.
Good. Please do and then give the output also.
Oh, the output is just completely blank.
Completely blank? Why? See, as like you see, as like what? As like Tony he has written all the files contain and all. This code only you have to write it. This code you have to write it and then what you have to do it. That's all. This code only you have to write it. In place of his answer, I have learned a lot in this class. You have to write your own answer. Only question are going to be same and answer you have to write it on your own. Okay?
Yes. Well, So do I show you the file so you can see my answers?
Yes, I want to see the code as well as I want to see the text file also. Okay. Copy the you copy who is sharing. Copy the copy the code, paste the code in the chat box.
Okay.
When you pay your credit card bills on credit, you want credit coins. Use them to claim cashback and rewards. I know this sounds ridiculous. It's like saying Rahul Dravid has anger issues. Hey! That doesn't mean you've been holding. Come, man. Come. Cool down, man. What about me? Hey! You're both scared of me. Cool down, man.
You are also writing like this, Ronit. You have to write the Python code, no? You have to send me this as like Tony has given. As like Tony has given, the same way you have to give me the output. As like Tony has given me the output by writing the Python code, and I have to send me the text file. That two code only I want, nothing else. Ronit, is the question clear or not? What I want?
Sir, I gave you the file. Yes, sir.
I don't want the word file. I want the text file and I want the code file. Code I want.
Okay, sir. 1 second, sir. I'm doing the code file.
Sure, sure. I'll be giving that on. In the next class only we will be starting about what? We will be starting a surprise things are there for you guys to develop something.
Okay, sir.
For everyone there is a surprise things to develop something a great in from the next class. Next to next class you guys will be developing something great of your own which you can show to your family, friends like that. Okay? Through
Oh,
Python coding only.
okay.
So must attend next class for next to next class for sure. No skipping in that.
Okay. Okay.
Durek, what happened, man? During is the stuff done or where you have stuck? During.
Sir, can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, you can go. During, can you hear me? Everyone on your
Yes.
camera. Everyone on your camera, please.